Hi guys, this is Kelly Bear. Today we're going to be unboxing my very first mega pack of Season 4 Shopkins. It comes with 20 Shopkins, 6 shopping bags, plus 1 shopping basket. So let's open it up. I'll take everything out. I'll be right back. So now we're back with the mega pack. We're starting with the ones that you could see in the box. So this is from the Homer's collection. The name is Agar Egg Cup. It's a rare. And let's put it down. So we got Maple syrup. It is from the Petkins collection and it is a special edition. So here's the basket. It is purple, it's glittery, it says Shopkins on it. And the handles are pink. So now we're starting with the ones that you couldn't see. So here it is. So this is Woolly Hat. It is a rare from the accessory collection. And this is Cheeky Cherries. And they're cute. And they're common. From the Fruit and Veg collection. Handbag Harriet from the accessory collection. Common. Now we got Jewels from the accessories collection. It's a common. So now we got a smoothie called Berry Smoothie. It is from the Sweet Treats collection. It's a rare. Now we got Puppy House. Is an ultra rare from the Pet Shop collection. It's very, very glittery and pretty. And we got Pancake Jake from the Sweet Treats collection. It is a rare. We got Big Topping from the Petkins collection. It is a special edition. Now we got a Petkin. It is a special edition. It is called Egg Chic. This is Milkwood from the Petkins collection. It is a special edition. Now we got Flushes. Is a common from the Homer's collection. Now we got Marty Party Hat. That is from the Party Time collection. And it is a common. So now we are going to be doing the blind bag shopping. So let's get started. By the way, the bags are pink like the Season 3. Like they're like the shape like it, but not the same color. So here's what we got. We got Cindy Bond from the bakery collection. See? It is a common. Move on to the next one. Here's the other one. It is a special edition from the Petkins collection. It is named Fish Flake Jake. So, let's take it out the blind bag. So here it is. It's a Petkin. It's a special edition. It's fish food. And here's the other one. It's a little pet collar. It's an ultra rare from the Pet Shop collection. It's really glittery. So now we got Dennis Ball. Is ultra rare from the Pet Shop collection. So now we got Jolly Donut. Is a rare from the bakery collection. Here it is. This is our last one. Is Doggy Bowl from the Pet Shop collection, and it's ultra rare. So that's it for the Mega Pack unboxing. My favorites are Berry Smoothie, Puppy House, and Maple Syrup, because they're all very cute, and one of them is glittery, and this one has a Petkin face, and this one has fruit in it. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doo. Hi, Shopkin friends. How was your day? Oh, very, very, very good. Mine too. Chick, chick. I'm big topping. Pour it on you. Psh.